Hey guys, so today is a mini unboxing, I guess you would call it. I received this machine from the thrift store down the street. Um, they give me free machines all the time and they say that they're broken, which ends up, I end up finding out that it's not broken, it just needs some oil or, some love. So I don't know what this machine is, but I can guess that it's probably a Sears Kenmore. Just because I've recognized this cover. But I'm going to open it up and we're going to see how it looks. And I'm going to be doing this one-handed, so bear with me. All right. Oops. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's see. Sorry about that. All right. So we got a Sears Kenmore machine. I think this is a 158. Bear with me. Wow, this machine looks pretty clean on the outside. Not sure about the inside yet. I'm going to put the pedal to the side. It's got the original pedal. That's good. So, all right. So it looks pretty good so far. So let's look at this. Oh, let's see. It looks really clean. Maybe dry. I don't know. Let's see. Yay. That needs a little bit of oil. And take off this. Is there supposed to be a screw? Hold on 1 second. Let me see. All right. For some reason, I thought there was supposed to be a screw here, but I saw a video on YouTube today where some of the Kenmore machines don't have a screw, and you just take it off, which is kind of weird because I would think you would want this secure, but I guess not. So it's got a few stitches here, zigzag, and so on. Your bobbin winder. Let me see if I can. Let me take this off. Oh, well, don't worry about that. Let's see. Okay, the bobbin wheel looks good. I don't see any wear. A little bit of wear, but not bad. Alright. It looks pretty clean. What do you think? So it needs a little bit of oil there because it's been sitting. So and put some oil in there and in there also. It looks pretty good. What do you think? So it's got the dial here, metal dial, for the width. Sorry. And then your length here. Got the on and off button. I don't have it plugged in, so we're not going to worry about that right now. Let's see if there's anything in here. Sometimes you can find little things, see right here. All right, I got to do this with 2 hands, so be right back. So I opened it up, and I am so glad I did because this is the bobbin holder. And one bobbin, which is the class 15. So I'm going to definitely take that out because we're going to use that eventually. I'm glad the person saved that there. But it's basically clean. I mean, I just have to dust it out a little bit. But that looks good. Let's look on the under. Man, that even the motor looks clean. What do y'all think? This looks really good. Just needs a little bit of oil. It almost looks like it's been serviced already. Um, I did see something on, sorry, there we go. I did see something on the machine here that says Hampton. So I'm going to do a little bit of Google and see if this person's around. Probably not, but maybe. It says Hampton, Virginia, and Hampton's only, 10, 15 minutes away max from my city. So I thought that was kind of neat. This machine is an early 70s model. I want to say maybe 74 or 73, something like that. I have to do some research on the actual, uh, I can't think of the word, the model number. The model number, I should have written it down when I had it open, but the model number is right here. When you open this up, it's right here. So I know it's a 158 just because I know that. But this is a really good clean machine. I don't know why they said this was broken. What they probably thought was broken was the fact that they probably didn't look down here or look under for the bobbin and the bobbin case. That looks pretty clean. I will definitely put a drop of oil in the bobbin area right there. Just one little drop will be needed. Wow, this is really good. It's loose in a good way. There's a needle that probably needs to be changed. But I'm impressed. This is a really good machine so far. I don't know how it sews yet, but I just wanted to give a look and see what it looked like, before I oil it up and give it away. So thanks for watching.